Hello, my name is William Dickinson Nagiri. And for my midterm exam project, I will be showing you society through our history. As a baby, I was able to learn how to walk and talk to my family by seeing them and doing it and practicing near every day. As a kid, I have habit pointing at people, but soon realized that it's rude for most societies to not point at people. Most vacation and films like Black Panther have seen different types of outfits and customs that you never really see. All of these examples are different instances of society in real life and film to fiction. Now, what is sociology? Sociology is the study of groups and group interactions and social interactions with the focus of small and or large groups. It is not common sense. Society can be based on culture where shared values that people practice, value, and believe in. It can be both. It can be studied both in micro level and in macro level. The micro level of studying it is with small groups and individuals, and the macro level is analyzing large groups and societies. Now, why does this matter? There are different types of societies across the entire world, big as organizations and small as groups, each with different practices, values, and beliefs. There have been constant stereotypes, arguments, even wars that have because societies throughout history and even today. And there's consequences that can be involved with society. With manifest functions, anticipated consequences, landed functions, unselves or unpredicted consequences, and die function, undesirable or bad consequences. The micro examples of society is a small groups of a group study of high schoolers, family interaction, and next door neighbors. Macro examples of society include the government systems, educational systems, and economic systems. And in nearly everybody around the world is part of society, either small or big. There are people undergoing socialization where people come to understand society norms and expectations to accept society benefits and to be aware of societal values. Others can go through culture shock, which causes disorientation and frustration if they experience new society. Sociologists study culture through social imagine, relationships between the person's behavior and experience and the wider culture that shape through the person's choices and perceptions. Now, sociologists study the theories and research around the entire world. Sociological theories are proposed explanation about social interactions or society. A few theories provide broader perspectives that can help explain main aspects of social life known as plagiarism. It is used to explain hypotheses, a way to explain different aspects of social interactions and create a testable proposition. While sociology research is a social science that's conducted by sociologists, is concerned primarily with questions that impact an individual or group of people and its institutional influences can can be recorded as quantitative data, collected in numerical forms like we count and analyze using statistics, or qualitative data, non-numerical descriptive data that is often subjective and based on what experience in the natural setting. Some type The types of sociological theories include structural functionalism, see society as a structure with other parts designed to meet the biological and social needs of the individual in that society. Conflict theory, a theory that looks at society as a competition for limited resources. And symbiotic interactivism, theoretical perspective through which scholars examine the relationships of individuals within their society by studying the communication. As theory as theories, I prefer the structural functionalism because it shows other societies working together with their differences aside. And types of research methods include surveys, which collect data from testing who respond to a series of questions in the form of questionnaires, fieldwork, gathering data from the natural environment, experiment, the testing of hypotheses under controlled conditions, and secondary data analysis, using data collected by others and applying new interpretations. I prefer the survey for my research because it's more efficient at collecting more information for many individuals. In conclusion, sociologically how you can understand different individuals, culture, and social forces. It's important to learn about sociology because we can see all types of examples of different types of social factors every day, social media, holiday, etc. And can help you understand other cultures without expressing unnecessary stereotypes. And here are my credibility.